Hey there, word lovers and thinkers. Welcome back to your daily English fun, where words meet riddles and cool facts. If you love learning with a smile, you're totally in the right place. Today's episode is packed with goodies, a new word, a tricky riddle, and even a simple health tip. Let's dive right in, shall we? One word of the day, serene. Serene means calm and peaceful. It describes a quiet atmosphere. Origin comes from Latin serenus, which means clear, bright, or calm. Example: her smile was serene. Stay serene no matter what. Two riddle of the day. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? Think before the answer comes at the end of the video. Three-word difference. Affect versus effect. Affect is usually a verb. It means to influence something. Effect is mostly a noun. It means the result or outcome. Example: rain affects the game's effect. Sounds funny, but you get it. Four big word. Eloquent. Eloquent means fluent and persuasive, used for people who speak well. Origin is Latin eloquentum, meaning to speak. Example: she gave an eloquent speech. Try using it in a sentence. Five-word to stop saying. Stop saying very tired. Say exhausted instead sounds better. It's stronger and more expressive. Example: I'm exhausted after that meeting. Upgrade your vocabulary bit by bit. Six idiom of the day. Bite the bullet means be brave. Face a hard situation boldly. Origin: soldiers bit bullets in pain. Example: he bit the bullet and apologized. Use it when you show courage. 7 random fact. Did you know English adds words daily? About 1,000 each year. Language is alive and always growing. So keep learning new ones today. Pronunciation check. Today's word is debris. It's pronounced debris. Silent single quotes s. Single quotes. It comes from French meaning remains. Example: the storm left debris everywhere. Now say it correctly 3 times. 9 health tip. Drink enough water every day. It keeps your mind sharp and your skin fresh and glowing. Small habits create big results. Stay hydrated. Stay healthy always. Riddle answer. Did you guess the riddle right? The answer is a map. It has mountains, rivers, and cities too, but none of them are real. If you learned something new today, drop a comment and share it. Hit that subscribe button now. Join me again for another fun lesson. Learn English the smart and fun way.